What is the CPF and what does it stand for? Community Police Forums. They are a local voluntary committee who are here to help you and your committees engage with the police. By engaging with the police, you improve communication and information flow between SAPs and the community. This enables SAPs to target areas where there are crime problems. It also allows SAPs to better allocate resources to where they are needed. Communities need SAPs, and SAPs needs communities, where communities report crimes and provide SAPs with feedback via their CPFs. The crime rates have significantly reduced, residents are safer, and the communities thrive. It is vital you report a crime and obtain a case docket number so the police can investigate. Simply log onto saps.gov.za/contacts and click on your neighborhood. In an emergency, always call 10111. If you are a victim of crime, simply walk into your local police station. It's free and easy. Remember the 3 R's: report crime, report feedback, report suspicious behavior. Get involved with your local CPF. Stand up for your community and make a difference.